Praise and what's going on? It's a visual by Pearl, and you're now tuned in to another episode of Portraits on a Budget. Hey, today's video is going to be short, brief, straight to the point. I wanted to get a little in-depth on a behind-the-scenes look of the two light setup. Remember, we shot a video of doing a one light setup, then we looked at the natural lighting. Today we're looking at two lights. Two very inexpensive lights. You can get these lights off of Amazon for a little bit of nothing. I'll post a link down in the description, but check it out. I have one light to the left of me. I have another light to the right of me in the back, which is light in my shoulder, giving me that backlight, that rim light that looks real good. Also, I have this light right here, this light in my face. And it just gives you a nice look. You know, I'm gonna show you a couple of portraits, but this is exactly how you can set your lights up. It's nothing different. This is a behind the scenes look on how you will set your lights up. And watch this. I'm gonna actually zoom in a little bit so you can see what it will actually look like if the lights wasn't in the shot. All right, hopefully that works out. I won't know until I get into the editing suite. But I just want y'all to go out there, man, and create. It's simple. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be a professional photographer. You don't have to be somebody that's been doing it for years. Man, you could pick up a camera and get you two lights. Remember, these light bulbs came from Walmart. There's nothing special about these lights. You know, you might have to tweak a little bit of white balance in your in camera, or you could do it in post, you know. But other than that, man, it's simple. A simple process. Go out there and create. And we love y'all. God bless.